In today's video, I will show you how to create techno music using AI technology on the Suno website. If you find this content helpful, support us with a like and subscribe to the channel. Just follow our steps. Open the Suno website in your web browser. Create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, select the Create option on the main screen. In the song description field, type dark techno with deep bass and dynamic rhythm. If you want music without vocals, click the instrumental button. Click the Generate button to let the AI start creating music for you. Wait a few moments while the AI generates your song. Once the process is complete, click play to listen to your new techno song. If you are satisfied with the result, click Download to save the song to your device. That's all for this quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the process of creating techno music with AI technology on the Suno website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching,